Should be live again. Yep. So, can you hear me in Discord, guys?
Discord, I heard you all the time.
God damn it. And stream should be working.
Too long. Yeah.
I don't know. Can they hear me? I think so.
Yeah, stream is okay, yeah.
Nice. I restarted the router. Like, thanks, Tiny. Something normal stuff in my country. Crazy. I couldn't open any browser, anything, like unbelievable. I just bought a better internet connection and it still sucks. Well, I clicked the wrong button. Not the wrong button. I clicked the wrong pair again. Just lost 13 bucks on account. God damn it. Really, really, really bad on my part.
Is that a router from your cable company or your own?
Yep, theirs, and you cannot use other. That's it. You got the best, but it sucks. Unbelievable. Hmm. Still in the freaking middle range. Fucking unbelievable. Really did bad. Now I need a new nuclear physics equation for my freaking short on US 500 because I clicked the button when I shouldn't click the button. That really, really sucked. I had the long
Right.
on what?
4 trades at once is quite intense. They're all open.
Yep, imagine that on 5 accounts same time.
Yeah, that's your world.
Yeah, I going nuts and then I clicked the wrong button on the wrong pair. Fucking unbelievable. I wanted to long US 5 NAS 100 and I clicked on the short. I the risk on a big loss on the US 500. Like I fucked the pair. Unbelievable. Really, really bad on my part. Well, still need to stay focused and fix. That's my thingy. I always fix my stupid ideas, stupid doings. Hmm. GBP. Soon good for long, maybe. Yep. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Bit lower. A bit lower, a bit lower, a bit lower. And nothing is breaking the range. Market is open, US market is open and still stuck. Crazy. I can see in the OBS when we're quiet that my mic picks picks up the rain sound. Unbelievable. Still is squeaking in my ear every 10 seconds. Fucking headphones.
You have the RTX filter?
No, I didn't. They installed that and like I even how it
You
calls
can in OBS use the noise gate.
it's not OBS when I even do without anything, just like turn on the PC and just plug in the mic, I hear same sound. I think it's problem with my electricity I have. I told you like too
Okay,
much.
your sound, yeah, that's a different problem. I meant like if you want to filter out the rain sound that you
No,
can do
no, rain
that in
sound is not
OBS.
problem. I'm not sure people can hear that too much. Maybe a little bit, but I'm, I see how on my volume thing it's really small, but this squeaking in my left ear, that's crazy. Every 10 seconds doing same stuff.
Yeah, I need to check. Maybe it's a faulty headset. I would just try it on a different computer. Just try the headset on a different computer. If it makes those sounds, it's the headset.
Uh, Yesterday I took three different headsets, two new and this one, and I plugged into my PC. Even with different cable, it's not USB, and I still had a problem. And those new, even much expensive one, still had some squeaking sound, and they were even louder than this one. So, like first of all, I thought it's my PC, but you saw my performance of PC. It shouldn't be that bad. It's really good, but I think it's electricity. Too much electricity is going to my PC. It's voltage, like that's not normal.
Yeah, but
They
a good UPS would regulate that.
UPS with grounding.
Yeah,
In
you want also on a UPS with pure sine wave. It shouldn't be like close to sine wave, but pure sine wave.
I don't know what's that.
They would write that probably. They would promote it.
No, I don't think I have that. I only bought the UPS because of the lighting. It's much cheaper than my uh, parts of my PC. Any part of my PC is much more expensive. So like I was maybe just to protect from lightning. Uh, 4 years ago, lightning hit the internet cable from other house and like it made a mess in my house. My television was broken because internet and television was on same cable and to my home, and then Sony PlayStation died because it was in plugged into television because from the router itself my PC, every PC in my house died, every motherboard. So uh,
That's really bad.
it
Yeah.
was too much expenses in one lightning. Like crazy. No volatility, that's unexpected for me. We're open 25 minutes almost, and we're going up and down, but still in such a small range. I don't like it. I always have some idea, and now I'm blank. Look how it's, even Dixie is squeezing like lower highs and higher lows. So like choose, and everything is in the middle. Unbelievable. Come on, something, something.
Alright, back for a bit with the miss. Looks
You,
like I missed a nice long on US 500.
yep, and I clicked the. I wanted to long this, and I went to our MT5, and I longed the S&P 500. And if you
Oh,
remember, I'm short on that position,
oh,
and I did risk in a big loss, 13 bucks loss. So I need for that position to really like do nuclear shit physics times three, like. And you missed losing my voice on stream, and something was bad with my internet connection. So anyway, we had to restart everything.
boo.
Yep. So, and you didn't miss anything, to be quite honest. Only my shitty ideas, and again missing the freaking chart. How many times I did that so far in the past? Like, you know me,
I
like.
don't know. I don't know if that means you have shitty ideas. It just means you don't follow through with your good ideas, isn't it?
No, no, no. This was a good idea to long the NAS 100. I win that. I even was late to the long, and I still managed to win that trade. But I first fucked second stuff because I wasn't looking properly. Yep, only my level of stupidity. Yeah. Welcome to my world.
I don't know that I want long US tech again as it comes down to here.
No. Already did what it should.
Yeah, already
Uh,
bounced it.
I don't know what you see in stream. Yeah, you see USC. It can hold, but it hold too many times. Like poking
Yeah, yeah.
something,
It should have moved away if it was gonna hold.
and it's time for the Dixie, as you can see, to like gain this fucking
Shit.
level. Nah, shit, like third high, fourth high in a row, same place. Come on, just gain this level and moon it and make Sasha money. Come on, don't be a pussy. Dun, 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 dun. What's the meaning of concurrent viewers?
Concurrent means all at once, all together. So concurrent, if it's 5 concurrent viewers, then you'd have 5 people watching a stream.
Okay, I first time that I am seeing that. I never saw that in my life. That word, I don't know why. Like, I should know that, but maybe it's not too. Yeah.
Kind of COVID ish.
Ooh, Aussie dollar going to the spot. What? But RSI is so far away. Maybe small long. Fuck it, I'm going to long it. And now lose
yes,
account.
my kids made me really sick.
Long Aussie. And can I make profit? Come on, push it a bit higher. Come on, go to profit target. I need ninja sound. Ninja sound, come on. Ninja. Ooh, love that. Easy.
Good bounce.
Ooh, made more than 1% on my baby account. And it's bigger than yesterday, so still going good. Only
Pounding it, let's find it.
Aussie dollar. Ooh, I need to change this for you to see. Brian, what scalper is scalping? Ooh, I should put profit target there. Come on.
Good bot.
Oof, nice. Woo!
Yeah, that's good.
Good, Botty. Thanks for fixing my. Look at this loser. Look what I did. Freaking missed the pair. Can you see that?
Ooh, gross.
I wouldn't do that even in my dreams. Fucking unbelievable. Like, I wanted to click this and I clicked the second and I was like, okay, long this shit. And it was here, so well, still managed to make some money. Fucking unbelievable. And I have to do some new calculation to fix this. Hate that. Nice
Maybe
one.
an idea actually have those backgrounds. With just like with the pair, so you can just see it. Or doesn't that matter?
My awesome flag idea.
Yeah, or just in the background you see Euro USD, US 500, blah blah blah. To make it so obvious, maybe it helps in pink or yellow or maybe lighting up.
Maybe I shouldn't have five accounts and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. Like
I'm just
trading
trying to
same
help,
time.
maybe.
Yeah, but 5 accounts same time and 4 or 5 pairs same time. That's too
That's
much.
tough, but maybe
you
that.
need a copy trader for your own.
Yeah, but I'm not trading same stuff everywhere. You
Oh,
already
okay.
know. So like somewhere is institutional level, somewhere is trend trader, somewhere is only RSI, so like this and that and this and that. So stupid, fucking unbelievable. How dumb am I? And it's different. If you look, I have a position PNL here, and where I clicked, it wasn't anything here, and I wasn't looking. Stupid, 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 stupid. I need to work harder, as I didn't work hard so far. Maybe also dollar again long. If continues like this. Did you do your 2% Jibs?
No, not yet. I had to do some work, some actual work. God
Oh.
damn it.
Yep. You should work maybe.
Yeah.
Come on. Woo, Dixie! And now it's looking like rejection. Fuck you. Motherfucker. Just gain the level and gain. Don't reject here. Maybe, only maybe, if it closes like this, it can dump. Again, it will lose the freaking projection. No, don't do that. No, 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 no. Fucking unbelievable. Motherfucker. Nice 100 is looking like a good short. Uh, nice 100. Fuck it, like, let's just short this. Stop loss is easy. Yep, if it gains this, it gains this. And profit target is here. Yep. That's it. I know you don't see, that's another account where NAS 100 is cheap. It's not that expensive. I'm aiming for this level. Yep. Something like this, plus minus. It's actually this, but me front running it, it's here. 200 will be same level, and if it dumps, only if it dumps, it will be good. US 100. Hmm. Next, 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 next. Everything is depending on the news. Don't know what to expect. And news are far away. And I didn't long the Aussie, but I wanted.
Yeah, I
Doesn't.
probably should have actually longed US 500 from the look of it. That would have been my profit take right there.
Yep.
Twice. Fucking twice.
Uh,
I did long Euro USD. And that just hit first profit target.
nice. Like it. Like it, like it, like it. I think I'm going to go the big, buy a big TV screen for the office.
Yeah, I was
That's
actually
really good.
considering that too, as in like first time I cash out some profits. That's where it's gonna go. I saw Kogan had like a $300 4K TV for sale. Like, yeah, that might do.
Yeah, that does well. 40 something inch. You get them $300 here.
Yeah, that's awesome.
What? 300 bucks 40? Okay. I am considering going 60 inches, 65 for the
Oh, that's
They
office.
are
awesome.
like
For
they
that
are
cheap.
like 300, 470 inch, $400 here. The lower cost brand, and the ones I buy, they are semi glare, so it's not like you're looking into a mirror. You don't actually see yourself in the screen.
Ooh, nice. I need only for now, like looking like on the same screen to, or to put charts, or even better for me, like just do the stream chat and Discord on that screen. So like I can trade properly on two screens. Don't need to check between stuff and lose my focus where I am, on what pair, on what account. Crazy.
It all depends what size you need, how far you sit away from it. I'm sitting like 50 centimeters away from the 43 inch, so it's like looking at as if I had four monitors there.
Yeah, I'll do on 2 meters from me, maybe not even 2 meters, it's 1.5. So uh, I'm considering again going to buy an office, selling the old one. It wasn't for me, and if I'm making this bigger, like trading and putting few more people, I will need a bigger office. It's not doable anymore, and I need a different room for my programming team, because we will talk a lot on trading and they need silence to concentrate. It's not the same. Don't want to bother them with stupid stories or something
Maybe
like
you
that.
need like 2 room office or so. You have an extra room.
Yep. Okay, they're already not here when we're alive, but even even if I have a few more traders, I need to be able to talk out loud and like, did this wrong or you did this great and stuff like that. But they need silence to be able to concentrate on what they do.
Made
So
my 1%. 2 hours it took for 1%.
nice. Is
Right, man.
stream fine?
So let me check it out. Hold on.
It looks fine on. I have it on one laptop. Everything is animated on TradingView as it should be.
Yep, and I'm looking on my OBS. It's dropped 0 frames, 0%, but sometimes it's loading. On YouTube Studio, I'm looking. It's loading because I'm looking on one on there on chat. Yeah, I need big television or few more screen. It's easier, I think, to just buy a big freaking TV. I'm not playing games. I need for chart or something like that.
You're better off. You get more onto a 4K, a bigger TV than you buy. Also much cheaper than you would buy a 4K computer screen.
I don't even need the 4K. Like it will be small stuff, but yeah, it's cheaper and bigger, and I'm not playing games, so I don't need like fast response or stuff like that. So
I'm gonna make a phone call, guys. I'll be back in a bit.
no problem. So I made a boo-boo. I clicked the button too early. We didn't wait for close, and now this is closing totally different from what I expected. Nice.
Are you on a different screen, or you mean on the TradingView chart?
On TradingView, you see what I longed, and I longed too fast, obviously, because now the candle doesn't look the same when I longed. I should wait for the candle close. Only my stupidity again. Come on.
I just figured I traded now 2 hours without even looking at the RSI or stochastics today. Yesterday I was all the time using those.
Well, if you don't need it. It doesn't have to be like that.
I just went by pure candles and EMAs. But I heard they are all lagging and don't work anymore.
Yeah, the EMAs doesn't work, man. The lagging indicators that don't use that. Doesn't make sense. You're trading on MT5 40, or you're trading on the...
No, I'm still on cTrader. I'm so used to it, but I should try MT5.
Theoretically, you don't have to. Like, you can use bot on demo on MT5 and copy trade on the cTrader.
I mean, this way I'm kind of forced to do it manually. I mean, with the help of the indicator, but that way I learn the method, and then I can use the bot. Then I actually know
Yeah,
how to program the parameters in the bot. That's, I think, the better way around than just trying with the bot to do whatever things.
I agree. Yeah, you should know the way it works and know
Yeah,
advance and the disadvantage of the strategy.
yeah.
That's the only way
And
to
then
make the money.
yeah, then I know what I actually want to automate, like which tasks I want the bot to do for me.
I want that first position. As you saw on 1 minute, $Aussie took a position, long position, and made money. That first position I want for the bots, even second. If it goes into like really going against you, then I want to manage it myself. But for the first position, I cannot watch 5 charts same time. So like for the first position, I want I want bot for to manage that and to get into
Yeah,
position right time.
that for sure helps because I'm right now I have to use resting orders, otherwise I cannot live click my way in. The
Ooh.
bot probably gets me a better entry.
Why you don't? Why can you just click buy or sell? What's the problem?
It's too many charts, like looking
Oh,
at 4 charts at the same time, and then four more with a higher time frame. And then I'm with cTrader. I'm still not sure. Do I click left or right? I'm really getting confused with those blinking colors.
but why are you using 4 charts, man? I have a bigger account and I use only 2 charts for real trading. I use four because of different time frames, but actually that's are only that
Yeah,
are
I'm trading 4 pairs. So what are these 8 charts? If I since I want the 15 minute and the 3 minute.
that was fast. Did you heard? Did you heard how fast that
I
was?
I had a sound here.
Just made money on the GBP long. Crazy. Like I need to see in history how fast that was. 59 and it was closed. I cannot see here. God damn it. It's not the same on MT5. It tells me open and close time, and this is just closing time. Well, doesn't matter. Come on, two same trades. Come on, push, push, push. And did you hear again? I did two same trades. Two long position scalps on GBPUSD. Crazy. Let's try long again. Why not? Little bit lower now, this time. Unbelievable. Nice. Really good. Almost. No, it's not 2%. 1.5% there. Go, 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 go. No, I missed my entry. God damn it. Come on. No, I will not. I will not force the trade. You will not force the trade. Missed the entry for like. Let me show you. Do you see where is my entry?
Yeah, that line there. Or...
Yep. That would be third time longing, but no problem. Doesn't matter. Trading view. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I wanted volatility, now it's going all over the place. Did you long the GPUSD?
I did. You know me too well. I also longed US Tech when it dipped
Did you
down again, but
did you
I
take
was out of
profit?
that pretty quick. I haven't yet.
Look what I did. No, here. I already took 2 scalps here, took profit, and this is third scalp. I was following in because you weren't here. I had a order on the line. My line was again on the candle itself, it touching, but
Ah,
again no problem. That's for Sasha. Like at least once a day. Doesn't matter. Almost 2%. Like need maybe 2 more scalps. Little scalps, and I will make. I'm feeling real shitty, like fucking US 500 position. Like that's so much work now to fix with one stupid mistake. Unbelievable. Well, it's only me. No problem.
just time. The other thing you could do is just fucking close it, because you're gonna make that money back eventually soon anyway, so who gives a fuck?
No.
It's causing you that much. It's causing you that much distress. Don't even bother with it. Just
No.
do it.
I didn't had problem with holding that. I had problem now taking the risk where I didn't want to do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
That was
I
my problem.
understand, but you can't change that now, right?
Yeah, but you're long.
USD was a
Yeah,
long too.
and I deleted order day here because I was looking at GBP on 5 minute, and that was my mistake. On 5 minute, this looked much better for RSI, and I wasn't looking. It was on 5 minute, and now I don't want to talk about that because like we can go far away down. Doesn't have to be like that. At least test this swing. Come on, push. Come on, one more scalp. And now shit the bed. Everything's fine. What the fuck? I had a resting order here. God damn it. Oh, okay, that's fine. Fine.
It's here on MT5.
Yeah. Oh, god damn it. I think I woke up too tired today. Only my opinion. Stupid. 9.46. Somebody bought my expert market edge. That indicator is going crazy. Unbelievable. So much
Price up.
sell. Yeah. Somebody would think that indicator really works. GG losing trade. GG losing trade. Fuck me. So stupid. Sometimes like. Well, the good thing is this account is now much bigger. So I can fuck it even more. I can lose even more, so no problem.
You can take even bigger risk then.
I will not overdo it, but just a bit. Just to check the biggest level of my stupidity. And again, I wasn't talking about MT5. I was talking about my baby account. God damn it. And I need the double.
Up to now?
339.
That's awesome. That's
No.
doubled now,
No. I put the $15 from affiliate today, so it wasn't only me. I'm rich, man. I made $15. So
Affiliate
much.
$15 for nothing.
For 2
Amazing.
months. Yeah.
worth it.
Yep. Because only one dude doesn't have sender account, so I really make money there. So that doesn't matter. It's just laying there, and if I have less people on affiliate, they will not pay me. And I was like, okay, maybe just put somewhere that money that you can like manage that. It's a coffee too, and you can like lose more if you if you're going to gamble. Just kidding. Well, nobody's on stream. Everybody's watching Brian, so no problem there.
The other guy is also
Oil.
live.
Matt,
Yeah.
crude oil news coming in a minute.
Yep.
Not that it should affect heaps, but we'll see.
Yeah, maybe GBP is affected by crude oil news. Hey man,
To your other fib.
something. If S&P 500 lose this, it can be a. It will jump here. God damn it. RSI is too high, too low.
Ooh, low.
Ooh, Dixie just gained. Come on, Dixie. Woo, Dixie, go, 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 Dixie, go, 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 go. You're again watching the wrong. Go, Dixie. Dixie's the best. I love when I stuck myself in a bad trade, and I saw this and I even showed you, but no, let's long this shit. FOMO in, everybody.
I'll bet.
No, I won't. Let me have a little bit bigger position. I will never make money if I don't re-add, only working with small numbers. What's this? Maybe the risk now? How much is that today? 1.5%. Yep. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 seconds I was waiting on my buy
For
order.
it to close.
No,
Oh,
to.
for it to fill.
Yep. Unbelievable. Now I can re-add more. And I am now losing 22 bucks, but I think we will pump soon. Now I can really re-add. We're already down today 1.5%. That's a lot. When was this? Yesterday. Ooh, pumpers. No! I didn't re-add on GBP. God damn it. Fuck you, GBP.
Little further.
Yeah, my profit target is like before the swing and ATMA, but nah, it's just there. Not going.
You piece of shit.
Do you know how many times? And then I close, like I just like fuck you, and I close, and like 2 seconds later it just goes my way.
Pumps
Like
through it.
yeah, too many times. And when I don't do that, well, it
Reject.
yeah it.
To make it.
Dix is looking good today, and can
Give me this 15.
and it can do 2 higher highs. So, and tomorrow I expect this level. So
Which one? The
gap
90.
97 66.
Yeah.
The gap one. So in my head I need to close this. How many? 4. So this doesn't count anymore. So this will be the first. And this doesn't. Yeah, first, second. Nice. Come on, pump it. I want to re-add. Come on. Let me do this on this swing. Let me actually look here and not just blah myself. So how much is that? So 0.8%. Yep. And that's 1.33134. 3134. Ooh, MT5 is so laggy. 3.4, so high.
Market open.
So this is my. Oof, nice. Only did that stupid mistake, but okay. We'll fix that somehow. GBP.
Oh, stop toying with me.
I told you 100 times. When I'm in deep shit, then you're going into position and making money. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, GBP. Aussie dollar. Dixie, US 500. NAS 100.
There we go. And I'm out.
It just went to the profit target and I didn't get filled again.
Boofed. Manual close.
I'm in loss now.
Oofed. Don't manual close.
Come on now, dump it. 100%. The good thing is it cannot get to 0.
It gets to 0, long it.
Yeah.
Like hurts. Fucking bankrupt. Should long it. Sasha, you
Yep.
got some Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Steiny asks.
Yep. I
got
think
some
so.
Bitcoin. I got a masternode sitting somewhere.
Stein, please don't lose time on those. That's shit. Please, sir, please. Please, I'm
29
begging you.
masternodes. You motherfucker. God. I think I had when I
Ooh,
started
made money.
I had like 4 million from like getting rained on and donations and shit like that and betting and stuff like that. And when they opened it for trading, I made like 16 million on top of the 4 that I had. Gave you a masternode for free. God damn it. I had to spam so much in chat to get enough for a masternode. But yeah, I traded up from 4 million to like 16 million, so I had enough for two masternodes, but I cashed out one at 40 when it was 44. zero zero
You
zero
did
zero
great,
44
man.
or something. And I was like, alright, I'm done. Done with this shitcoin. They all look promising, Stony. That's the problem. They all look promising to start with.
Bitcoin is looking promising. Are you fucking kidding me? Come on, please don't start this conversation. You don't want to hear what I have to say. Like, something is worth only amount of money that somebody is willing to pay, and for nothing, I will pay you nothing because that shit is free, and there's nothing good in that project. Nothing good. What's good there? Like you can only you can be Twitch subscriber and get
Don't
that
be
shit
like
for free.
that. You can give the coin you've paid for away to random people in chat. That's what else would you want to do with your hard-earned money but give it away to other people?
Yeah, always. Like me.
No, I do like the idea of it though, simply because millennials will fucking love that shit, right? Twitch is a big thing, right? So if they can actually get it integrated well with Twitch, I think it'll be a good thing. But you're gonna need some big names to start spruiking it if you want it to go anywhere, right? Last I heard, MTV was the only place that had it. So yeah.
I had tiny like few those kind of shit coins and stuff like that for free, and losing time on that and my energy, I can make much more money sitting and clicking button, making a bot. Man, again, losing time on stupid stuff. I want to be like Skinner. Only go trader in out there is him. I want to do same. And then you like figure out losing 10 accounts. Like a few people from Croatia and few people I know like lost 2 years of their life and everything, and they didn't make money. Never became same trader. Of course they couldn't do that because they freaking, if it's true, they didn't have the dead that were traded. They didn't be in the quant firm. They didn't work for Citi. Blah 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 blah. Just do you and find something that works for you and make freaking money. Don't lose energy on stupid stuff. Like same as Razer. This and that in 2 years and stupid shit, and he did more in last month than he did in last 2 years. Fucking unbelievable. People losing time and energy on stupid stuff. Oh, Bitcoin. I gave everything for free, everybody. Like Bitcoins, fake coin, like losing my energy actual doing that, like that doesn't make sense. I made tiny more money on the freaking indicator that I don't even push. I don't even use it now because I see the chart, I know where it is. But I will show you the freaking indicator, and it's making every day, it's making money, unbelievable stuff. Let me show you. Expert market edge attached to chart, send notification, play sound, doesn't have to do that. Common, okay, colors, agree, okay. So this is a freaking indicator. See?
You have to switch to MT5.
Again, thank you. MT5. So this is a fucking indicator. See, it told you short here, and you shorted and you made 1.22%. This wasn't long, this wasn't long, this was short, this was short. And if you shorted here, you will still be in that position. Took one profit target, got stopped out. You long on this candle, take one profit target, and you got stopped out. You shorted here, made money, fucking on the pump, made money on the short. This indicator made me more money than few bots I have. And as you can see, it freaking work.
At long. So you
30
can-
bucks, Tiny. It's only 30 bucks. But on that 30 bucks, I made more than on freaking bitcoins, and I didn't lost energy on selling this. I don't even push it around. I don't care. Doesn't make sense for me to do that.
And people are still buying it all the time too. I love that. It's like your stealth most profitable indicator. Like, oh
Because
yeah,
it's
30
but
bucks.
because it's working. Yeah, look. It told you short here. Do you see how much this was trend? This is trend trading. So it's a little bit different, but it's crazy how good it is. I could even put 100. Few people told me like, why you sell that cheap? I don't care about that money, but I really made good money on that. Made more money that on there that today than on trading. So again, doesn't matter. Remove the freaking indicator. I don't need it because I know how it works.
And the indicators are lagging, right?
Yep. Indicator list. Exit market edge. Delete. I know that strategy. I have a bot Steiny on that, and it's 30k, and it's killing it. And I made on gold 2 weeks ago more than people make in 2 months paycheck on one freaking trade with this fucking indicator, combining with RSI and 21 EMA. Stupid stuff. Indicator doesn't work. Indicators don't work. They're lagging, but if you put few indicators, maybe they will cancel each other and maybe one will work, something like that. And I made Steiny run. Nice. I don't need Moon shitcoin boys in the chat. Like, we're really trading here, losing time on fucking stupid stuff.
See, Steiny.
And same, nobody's here. Nice, only we.
Yeah, only us.
Yeah, nice. Razer. If I didn't made you pay for institutional level, do you know what would you still doing? What would you still doing? What would you still
Be doing.
be doing? Thanks, guys.
Not trading.
Yep, and
Yes,
like losing time and thinking about the Lord in himself of everybody called Mew. Like, I need to be like him. No, I need to be like freaking Brian, and I just need to. If I sit on my PC, I know I'm going to win. And my dad wasn't a trader. I wasn't born in a rich family, and everything I did by myself. That's what I need, and not like born into beautiful life and just continue like same as.
I'm very happy that I'm bought the bot and then and crew now. So
Yeah, but if
no
people
regrets.
don't pay, if it's free, I figured that out. If people only get free stuff, they don't even use it and they don't even spend time on that because it's free. I'll do it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the year after this, and stuff like that. And I have a really good example here. Everybody just say hello to 40. 40, how many bots you have?
I have pretty much all of them.
Yep. And how much you using them?
Well, they run on demo currently because I'm having more fun live trading here.
I agree with that, but I'm almost certain you're not using them on the full extent. as I told you,
No.
institutional
Yeah.
level do on same pair as trend
As the
trader.
trend trader.
Yep, and do maybe different time frame. Just figure out for yourself, and you will make money non-stop because you're hedged all the way. RSI you can now combine with Brian Watt idea and never lose money because you don't put stop loss, you put doubling position, and I figured out like only making money. What we have next? Brian Watt, everybody has. Shooting Star is still not finished. That's it. Yep.
That's it.
Yep.
It's all.
Just doesn't matter. Do what you want, but if everybody paid for freaking RSI, everybody would use it, test it, like squeeze it and stuff like that because it was
For me,
free.
there's too much to do for me. Like I like to understand what something's doing before I use it, right?
Yep.
And Brian, we got the RSI bot to start with. I was like, oh, that's really cool. All right, I'll start having a look at that. And then we got the Brian Watt one. And I was like, oh shit. All right, I better look at that. And then I was like, this is actually really good. This is the best one by far. All right, sweet. And then I started working out that I could manually trade it more profitably than the bot could. So now I'm 100% dedicated to this method as is. However, when I get more comfortable, when I'm happy with how I trade it, then I'm going to be turning the Brian Watt scalper bot on for sure. And I'm just going to do what you do. I'm going to manage its position while I trade manually. There's already been times like when I see something going and I'm like, oh, get ready to catch this, get ready to catch this. Oh, missed it. Fuck.
Yeah.
The bot won't miss it.
Yep. He
Not
will.
gonna miss it.
So you can use like 3 pairs like I do, and after first position, then I'm looking. Do I need to manage that position, or I will let the bot? If it's going to already to third position, then most of time I will turn it off, and I will manage
You'll
that
take over.
myself.
Yep.
Yep. But
Yep.
Aussie dollar, US dollar on 1 minute on my Evolve market made $30 this week on 1 minute.
So 1 minute trading is what for me what bots are made for, right? Get something that reacts faster than people do and scalp the extreme ranges because they don't spend much time there, right? It's exactly what this methodology should be good at and exactly what you need a bot to do.
Yep. And people don't get that, man, because they think, okay, I bought the bot and I click a button and I bought it maybe for $120 and I'm going to be rich because I invested. I'm calling myself investor from today because I freaking invested $120. Unbelievable. Fucking
I have the
insane.
same. I have the same as Jeebus that started out with a bot and then you find out how the bot works, and then we got the Brian bot and now we're trying to do it ourselves. But I enjoy it a lot.
I'm using Blind Bot all the time, but because I will not catch the first freaking position all the time, and bot will do. But
I was thinking of doing the same. I was thinking of doing next week the bot, and then you will
I
keep
cannot
tweaking
do
and,
bot now for US 500. I have a netting account. It's not hedging. If it was hedge account, I would even put the bot in because the bot would manage other positions, but doesn't matter. Aussie dollar I have on 1 minute, as you can see, and I this was also bought. This was bought. This was bought. So it's working, and I don't have to watch for this by myself. And for me, it's free money. After I see open position, then I figure out: do I need to?
do we need to step in or just let it
Yep.
go?
Yep. That's the only thing I'm doing, nothing else.
I was thinking of doing next week, entire week, 25 with buying bot and then 3 pairs or 2 pairs and then just follow it and see how that goes.
On a demo account.
Come on,
right?
come on, push, push,
Of
push,
course.
push! Woo! Nice. Fuck you. And bots just shorted 3 candles. That's okay. See? Now it catched because I was watching fucking this, and I would lose that position. I wouldn't catch that short. Maybe I'm going to lose $1 million, but I'm not certain on that. Second, third, maybe even 4.
Yeah, I reckon it'll bust the top of this, and then
Maybe I should check the trading view 15 minutes. What do you think about that? Yep, it can go a little bit higher. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine.
RSI's got room too.
Yeah, that's 1 minute. So I risked GBP USD in profit a bit, so I'm losing less today, but still the US 500, that position is freaking stupid. You see my grid from position still in same shit, unbelievable.
Yep. Spider web of trades.
Managing, let's see where I started. Let's see that. Jesus Christ. I started here. So this was my first short. And we went 1% down. And I'm losing $2 on 1%. And how much lot that really is? GBP, it's 0.09. So that's great. Actually, that's great. This is going now down. Need to figure out 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it will get into position. I don't like that position. Come on. Nope, don't do that. And take me out here. And manage this in 5 minutes. Yep, 5 minutes have a room to go. But I'm in an interesting spot. I have 3 different positions, both direction, and everything is in red. Nice. So good. Feels great.
Again.
Again. Like yesterday. Unbelievable. Maybe I should 5 minutes. No, wait a bit higher. Wait a bit higher, Sasha. Your short should be re-added here if you want to really to re-add. Aussie dollar is stuck in range between 2 fee projections whole day
That's
today.
good. I'll trade a range. I don't give a fuck. Good. Gives me a top and a bottom to work between.
Oof, this Dixie is crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy stuff happening with the Dixie. Crazy. USD CAD is shitting the bed. Where is my re-add? Ooh, do you see where my re-add is? Jeeves?
Nice. 200, yeah.
Can't go better than that. But no, you know what? Indicators don't work.
No, they never do. Luck.
Yep, pure luck. Nothing else.
Did you already try to drink more booze, Jeebus, to get better, or?
Divs?
Or is that not
No,
gonna help?
I feel like shit as is, so that's a negative. I'm not going to do that.
Can somebody translate me this? Do you see my screen? Yep.
I have bought expert manager and would like to know the buffer numbers from the arrows for my EA. I'm assuming he wants to know what settings he puts it on.
EA, that means expert advisor. So he's making expert advisor from my indicator. So he wants my code, which
Oh,
I
I
don't
think he
want to
needs-
give because that's custom made, and I really don't want to tell people what is the math behind that because it's Swiss indicator.
Yeah,
It
I
wasn't mine.
don't think you have to, right?
Yeah,
He
but
doesn't mean it like- he
he's
doesn't
not the
mean it like
first
that.
one. For the errors for my expert advisor. So in his expert advisor, he's making a bot from my indicator. So he need the settings for the arrows because he cannot read them. Because nobody know what it really is. And first of all, I cannot give it because it's Swiss indicator. I can give an indicator, but not people making bot from that. That's first. Second, everybody's like, oh, I paid $30, so like I will make my own because you're selling your for 30k, so I will sell mine for 1k and I will just sell everything because
Copy all of their shit.
yep, unbelievable. And every time when I see something like that, Bitcoin is always like, no, he don't mean bad. No, nobody's bad. Everybody's
It's me. Everyone is nice.
yeah, everybody's great. Just give me numbers how to make my look, I front run a bit. Woo! Nice. Nice. Come on down, motherfucker. And GBP, Aussie dollar. This is 1
Alright,
minute.
that's 2% from my baby account for the day. I think I'm gonna wrap it up because it's 1 a.m. and I'm sick.
Again, thanks for your time. Thanks for being here.
Thank you
So-
for the guidance as usual.
No problem, man.
The company, guys.
Get some rest,
Get
man.
some
You
rest,
really
yeah.
sound sick. Like in the beginning of the call, you didn't sound as sick.
Yeah, because I've been like huffing fucking nose spray and drinking tea, but I'm out of tea. I'm out of nose spray. I'm out of Panadol.
Oof.
That's it. I'm fucked now. And it's 1 a.m. So I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, thanks
if
again.
I survive the
Tomorrow.
night.
You will.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
I bought your indicator. Tell me everything. I need to know. Give me everything. I'm going to sell that. You're stupid, Sasha, so I'm going to take everything you have and make millions.
Is that news coming from the Fed stuff?
Minutes. Yesterday there was quite
Somebody
some
made some profit.
market activity. Would be me.
Nice. I love that sound. I love that ninja sound. Cannot be better than that, man.
It can be a stop loss sometimes. Also
Yep.
be a winning stop loss.
Yeah, all my
Most of
stop
the times it's a
losses
winner.
in winning. I'm 2.3% for the day. It's almost quiet now since I only have one position open.
Uh, nice. We have a dude trading Brian Watt and made 7% today. So we suck. Nice. Maybe we should put him talking and not me. Because
Who said that?
one of the dude that has Brian Watt scalper. Maybe he's on stream. He says he's listening. But I'm not sure. It's possible. And yeah, he's now saying we're amateurs. He's listening. He's listening. And I gave him a help. So he can do something, but everybody that wants to do something with the bot has to buy my indicator. So I help him. People still think that can recreate 30k ALGO from one video and freaking indicator. Yeah, profit target doesn't matter. That I wasted 6 months to make bot see freaking levels for profit targets and making stop loss moving on the freaking profit targets. But doesn't matter. And combining 3 indicators on that bot doesn't matter. Yeah, people will do that in 2 seconds, no problem. That's how they good are, and then they have to buy my freaking indicator. Nice. Come on. What we're waiting? We're waiting for push on GBP. And the push will never come. And I already front run this. God damn it. Come on, push that. 1 minute, still working. Looking for longs, okay. US tech. This looks like a long soon on 21. Maybe I should try it. I need to see where I started this position. So I started this position here and my average is here. I think I did pretty good. So that's 3.17% higher from my start. What you think about that, Bitcoins? Razor. Sorry.
Sorry, I had a phone call from my actual work. So what did you say?
Nice. I started this short on US 500 3.17% down.
Wow.
9,300 points
Still
lower.
not bad.
And I managed to pull my average 3.17% higher than my start. So what do you think about that?
Yeah. Well, it's still a bad short, but it's a skill.
Yeah. I will make that a winner. Really. Remember my Aussie dollar, the biggest loser? It became a biggest winner, so I'll do the same on this position, just wiggling my way out slowly but certainly. Same was GBP today. GBP was loser around $40, and now I'm losing 6 with what I de-risked so far, so that's not so bad. And my average is much higher now. I also started long in here, and my average now is 0.84% lower on the freaking forex pair. So I think I did good there also.
I want to.
We're losing you. And I don't hear you.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We lost you. You said I have to.
No, I said yeah. I saw 4 scaling ins, but very slowly. Yeah.
Yeah, because
I'm still struggling myself a bit. Like last Friday and then Thursday on the demo, I did like this just the scalping, 10 cents here, 50 cents there, $1 there, and I had a lot of fun in that, and that really worked out good. And then this week I started to try to find a little bit more swing kind of stuff, and that totally does not work for me so far. So I was thinking of, like you just showed me that is even slower, so that will take more time. So I don't have that. I don't have that amount of time, and now I try to catch a little bit more of the swings. But in the end, I think just taking those scalps and maybe sometimes have a runner is gonna work better for me.
on cTrader, I'm not trading same as this account.
Yeah. I know, yeah.
I
It's just on
have,
one account.
yeah, I have. It's much smaller than this, and I do different, a little bit different, and I made more money today there and every day, constantly making there almost 2% daily. It's smaller scalps, and I don't. Only one time GPUSD I held from Monday to Tuesday, and that's it. Everything else was closed in maybe a few hours tops. So maybe you should, yeah, do smaller scalps, and again 1% is not too hard. You saw, like, that's maybe 4 or 5 small trades, 6. That's for our style, that's not a big deal. It is, but not a huge deal, maybe, to be better with my wording.
I agree.
40.
I agree, yeah.
40.
Yeah.
You starting on Monday.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice. Remember, your account on cTrader is not big enough for US 500. Just remember that.
No, I will stick to Forex.
Okay, just and again, I have $300 now on my baby account. I don't go higher than 0.09 on that account because it will wreck it fast.
You mean all positions combined?
Yep, I will not go 0.1 higher than that still. I will go 0.2 on $600 and 0.3 on $1,000. That will be my highest risk, because I did some math and crazy volatility. Maybe when market become normal again, like 2019, then it's a different story. But for now, this crazy volatility, when it starts to go one way, it doesn't have to go like 2% down. And 2% scaling in every other 2 candles, that's not good.
So roughly a 0.1 every $300.
Yeah, plus minus, yeah. You don't have to do it like that, but with this idea, I didn't lost. And I really get a few times in really bad positions. You remember, every time I went out as a winner because I didn't get in too fast. Like, put more. Only on Aussie dollar, on the biggest thing on the daily, if you remember, it was our last stand. I said like if it breaks this, it's going to the moon. It cannot stop. But it was the high, and when it went back, we made the biggest winner from that position. So same as I'm doing even GBP and US 500, even on this account. This is much bigger account, but you can see I still didn't scale too much in. You can see for yourself, it's $4, $5 loser. Like that's still small positions. I'm not going to risk too much.
0.03.
Yep. And this 0.5 is smaller than and I have bigger account here than my baby account, but on baby account I should have one lot on the cTrader. That's 2 times bigger than whole position here. So only my opinion, but I think you should start slower.
The US 500 is about 1/3 cost on using MT5. Like the smallest.
Sorry, I'm reading the comment in chat. Kumar, live trading is a scam. You all should only long-term passive investing. Warren Buffett. Well, maybe, but I'm making last 2 years money with day trading, and I'm retired. What about you? Like, I made my money. I don't have to do this. This is fun for me, and I'm playing game. If I win or lose, I don't care about this money. And I'm trading currently 5 different accounts. So I'm not sure that you're right on that, sir. But day trading, you should learn and you should accept the risk. You can really wreck yourself. I agree with that. But investing is not for me. I invested in mining rigs, and from my experience, investing is not for me. I'm not for waiting. Even scalps sometimes few hours it's too much for me to wait. So maybe for some people I don't mind that, but for myself I'm not investor, and I made much more money day trading. Sorry, 40. Can you remember where you stopped?
I wondered if the trading on IC markets, the US 500, the costs for the smallest lot is then about 1/3 of what the smallest forex costs.
2 point something.
In terms of margin used, like a 0.01 in forex versus 0.1 in US 500.
US 500 0.1 is 2 times smaller, let's say 2 times point something smaller than forex 0.01 on the MT5. So it's smaller, and my opinion, maybe I'm wrong. I'm not 100% certain in math, but one lot is 3 times certainly bigger than 0.01. So that's why I'm saying, like, don't do that on cTrader. It's really expensive. Tintin, I'm not retired from day trading. I'm retired for market making, algo bots developing, but I day traded, and I'm day trading last maybe 3 years, and I'm profitable last 2, and I made more money day trading than I did in previous jobs. So I don't have to do this. I'm day trading because I really love trading, and I really like excitement. I really like winning, and only way for you to make money trading is to somebody else lose it. So in my own twisted head, I am winning game and somebody else is losing when I'm making money. So for me, it's a playing game. So everybody's willing to risk. Everybody knows the risk. Everybody accept the risk. You can lose all. It's not too hard to lose. Like market can eat us in a second. It will not even we will not even be seen maybe in our order books. So for me, it's greatest game out there, and trading is not for everybody, not even close. So if you're considering trading really, you should accept the risk. You should do research and learn some strategies. Doesn't matter what strategy you will lose, you should find something that suits you. Doesn't have to be the same like anybody on the YouTube or Twitch or like Twitter. Just if you're making money, that's good enough. Razor, I don't think he meant crypto because he's quoting Warren Buffett, and everybody's smart quoting somebody else. Like I can be the smartest guy because like I can Google stuff and like quote people that are successful. But for me, to find out that somebody that didn't have money 20 years ago didn't scam anybody
But
and
he's a friend of mine, Shivam, and I told him, let's check the channel out.
Oh.
And say something in chat.
No
And
problem,
he
but
said-
just for everybody to stay in the video. Like for me, you raise know my story, but not only mine. When I see somebody that was broke and didn't scam anybody, made his retirement fortune, doesn't matter how people look at that, and continue his own path, that's the successful story for me, and successful dude or woman, doesn't matter who what we're talking, like men or women, doesn't matter. But one dude that's 19 years old that was buying S&P and doing some weird stuff, he's just one dude. For me, much better example is Elon Musk or people from Facebook, Google. Like there's so much inspiring people out there that made something from nothing. That's better story for me. Like somebody investing here and there. Maybe it's working, but these are crazy times. With this corona, we saw crazy stuff is happening, and I know like stuff is going up, stocks are going up. Doesn't make sense. You can make money, but for me it's much more skilled. I can freaking sell something and make money and short something. And if you do the statistic part, it's much more easier for stuff to go down than up. Yeah, the more people are coming into the market, more people are more in the world. Like we are just growing number of human alive, and it makes sense dollar value that market is going up, but investing in that idea, it's not for me. I made much more money than Warren Buffett idea. He makes 20% a year. Last year I did 20x. So like how much is that Warren Buffett's year or investing? If his average return is 20% a year, how much that is in years? Can I day trade while having a job 9 to 5? Yeah, sure you can. Man, you can like trade scalping 2 hours a day, or you can do swing trades 2 times a week. Depends on your style. Why not? Like, you can do daily chart, or you can do even weekly, and take a position and like check 3 days later. That's not a problem. Depends only on strategy. For me, I don't have anything else to do. To be honest, I'm bored and I like clicking buttons, making money. So I do this all day, almost. So I do scalping because it's more action. But you can do click button. Even you can do even option trade. You can buy or sell something and check it in 3 months how you went. So it doesn't have to be same as me. Or you can do maybe 2 hours scalping, 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart, 3 minute chart. Doesn't matter. It depends what you want to do and what did you learn. It's possible. Like everybody that starts has its own job, and like I don't know anybody who just like jump into trading and stopped working and like kill it in 3 months. No, it's a skilled game and you need much more time for that. I invest in the market S&P 500 ETFs and Norwegian cruise stocks since the lockdown, and some in crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Tintin, again, it's publicly known information, he makes 20% a yearly return. I don't care about your wallet, but I'm certain I can do, let's go small. I'm certain I can do 5% a month on any account type. Not only me. There's so much more day traders out there, and everybody knows Warren Buffett because he got rich way back, and like he's now successful. And he has rich friend. Like if you have 5 friends that are close rich to you, and you like invest in one thing, you're moving the market. That's not skill. That's like, for me, that's jail time, because like you're doing something illegal. Doesn't matter. That's not story for this channel. I don't care. We're trying to make money on up and downs and have fun, drink coffee, and enjoy. That's the goal here. Making bots indicators, making trading fun, because it's really hard on your brain and emotions. Losing is not fun. Yeah, money is making money, but that's not the same. Like if you have 5 people, let's say in the crypto, and you have 100 millions, and you have half of a billion, and you invest in Bitcoin, you will move the market, and then then you start getting out, and you made money. That's illegal, man. That's not okay. That's not the same. Doesn't matter. In Bitcoin, it's still not illegal. You can still do that, but for me, there's no skill in that. And you can ask any day trader. That's no skilled game. That's you have such a big bag, and you just click the button and market moved. I figured out yesterday, 40. I figured out last night I can move the link on Poloniex myself. That was crazy. I was doing the math and I was like, God damn it, like if I accidentally click the wrong button, I will fat finger something.
You do the market making there.
Yeah, maybe. I was like, yeah, there's no volume. Question.
I haven't been on there in ages. I have still Dogecoin there since last year.
Yeah, I was looking where I can trade link, because like it's perfect for my free projections. and like check the Poloniex, and I was like looking on the order book, and I was like, if I accidentally click the button, I will fat finger something, and no, it's not tradable. Question: am I a complete newbie? And I am complete newbie on this trading stuff. On a 1 million account, you can make 5% every month. Yep. Tintin, I was in quant firm, and one of my bot, the deal was for me to make a bot that will make 10% average for 6 months, and I will get a big bonus on my paycheck, and it made even much more than that, and I got my bonus, and I retired from making market making softwares. So yep, million, 10 million, doesn't matter. For me personally, even with this style, it's maybe much easier to make freaking 5% a month. I did on this account so far 20%. I did on my baby account 60% this month. I made on my bigger account, I made already 10%. So yep, not only me, like there's much more people out there that can make more money. Even a hedge fund gives you like 20% off a year, so you don't need Warren Buffett to tell you something. Maybe I should start clicking button. I got bored. Volatility slow down. Is this the part of day when we don't have volatility?
It got the last half hour got quite slower, but it was non-stop busy till 30 minutes ago.
Yep. And we have fetch share in 90
half
minutes.
An hour, 29 it shows on my cTrader.
Ooh, yeah, 29. Yeah. I can measure here also. Let's see, can we do something? Trading view. USD CAD. Gain test 21. Again. GBP. If GBP loses this low, that's wrecked city. Aussie dollar all day is in same range. Interesting. Nice. And Dixie, come on Dixie, like nice, you gained. Test. Now continue gaining, please. Yep, everything's fine. Everything's fine. GBP. Only GBP is concerning. Tintin, yeah, we were doing like this crew you can hear on stream. We were doing this on Zoom every day, like we're all friends and same goal. Like we were drinking coffee and chatting and trading live, making money, and like let's do this on YouTube. Maybe more people will come and like hang out, because when you're day trading, it's really boring. You're looking at the screen whole day, like, and freaking looking ticks up and ticks down. Like somebody would say that we are mentally ill because we're looking and something that doesn't make sense, but doesn't matter. But the point is, we started like let's make this live, and we'll see what will happen. We want to help, and we don't judge like some groups, how to call them, because they have idea only their way is good. Well, for me, whatever you use, and if you make money, that's fine for me. Maybe it's not for my style, but if it's good for you, that's just keep going. I'm in the learning process, and it's good to hang out with you guys like you. Yeah, no problem, man. We're doing this. We will start every day before US market open, like that's 12 a.m. UTC time. No problem, man. Thanks for being here. If you have questions about something, no problem. It's not a secret in trading. Nobody wants to give you their secret. You have to pay, man. You have to buy a course on 1,500 and then you will know the secret. There's no secret potion, man. We will show you and you will see on the stream. Like I am using 7 different strategies and nothing is perfect. And I still get losing days, losing trades. And on this account, I had like on what did you saw? Maybe 86% winners, 87, 86, 7. But because it's netting account, it's much more. I think I only had maybe 7 losers and like 400 winners, something like that. Thanks, Razor. 26 minutes. Yep, maybe some volatility and we can like actually do something with this. Stuck in the freaking range. GBP. Ooh, soon good for longing again. Come on, GBP. GBP. PPG. PPG. PPG, what's GBP? Cable, god damn it. Every time when I see this, I get scared. I need to label some levels here. Fee projection are 0. Fucking. If it lose this, it will easy go here. God damn it. I need to label this. Oh, I don't like that. Jesus. GBP save this chart.
Did your ping time on cTrader improve with your higher speeds?
Nope. Now it says 71, but you saw when the volatility kicks in, I was waiting 6 seconds to get into freaking position. Imagine 6 seconds. My trade sometimes is like 7 seconds to get in the profit. That's fucking stupid. Just a second, sorry. I'm looking at MT5. I'm going to long the GBP again. And make a profit target here. Yep. And my nice second. Nice. Sorry. It improved maybe, but still I don't see awesome stuff or something like that. Tintin, let me digest what you're doing here and I'll ask question later. So far I look about the moving average short and below the moving average long to the moving average. Yeah, one of the strategies we're using, there's no secret, it's from Brian Watt. It's cloud strategy, so you use like 821. So when the price goes far away from the 8, you take a reversal position and you trying to get out on the ATMA. Yep. And if it goes more against you, you re-add. The problem with this strategy, the first thing is looking for problems and how you can lower the losses, is that it really can go against you and you can lose all your money in one stupid position. That's the downside if you don't use it properly and don't know how to re-add properly. You can really lose account. If you're starting with small account, I think this is not the best strategy for you. Maybe anyway, any new strategy you should first do on demo account and see how you're doing. But for me, I do the EMAs as you said, but for me I am combining my fib price projection. That means projection of the price where the big bots and algos are going to take profits, and I am expecting small scalps there and small reactions, sometimes even reversals. So I combine that. I'm trading, let's say 5 minutes, and I'm checking 15 minutes with my fib projection. Then I'm making ideas, even looking around shapes and what happened with the candles. So like trying to combine everything in one strategy. Doesn't have to be only one, but when I see something that I really like and I have few different strategies telling me the same, like take a long or take a short, I will take a position. Maybe I will get wrong, but more different strategies telling me the same. It's more convenience for me to take a trade. So that's my personal style, but maybe it's not for everybody. My first and my best style is 21 with 200 with the candlestick pattern. That's something I am the really good, and even combining fib projection now with that's my bread and butter. But this mean reversal strategy is really interesting to me, and I'm trying to implement in my strategy. Still improving, still not done with that, but as you can see, still not perfect. I still get losing trades. People like tell you it's normal in trading, but I saw this Brian dude, he doesn't lose. So like if somebody can do it, I want to try it and I want to succeed in that. But when it trends, that will fail. Yep. When it trends, you can fail. Let me show you Tintin one position. What I did, that was trading on the.
Make sure you share the right screen.
Yep.
Okay.
So it was US dollar, and it was. Yep, it was here. And let me show you what it did. I started shorting position and it went against me. Imagine what I did 6 days to get from this position. So I started shorting this. I need to show you just to see what can go wrong, and when it goes wrong, you're a really bad spot. So yep, it started here. I started shorting and it went against me 4.3. I think it was even more. Yep, it was even more. Let me do the line here. So it was here. Nice. So I started shorting. I started shorting here and it went 4.70% against me. And that week it went 6% higher. Like I started shorting because it already like pumped. As you can see, it pumped 1.77%, and I started shorting, like going against the trend. Like it should reverse a bit, but as you can see, I never got my reversal. So I started de-risking, re-adding, de-risking, re-adding. This all is one position still. So re-adding more, de-risking, re-adding, and it even went. Yep, and it went here. This morning I had a headache, so I didn't manage this properly. I just put one profit target and I left. If I leave, this position would make like 100% on account, but that's not my style anyway. Just want to show you on Forex 4%, 5%, that's a lot. Like that's crazy numbers. You can wreck your account easy. Yeah, if you don't re-add in proper places, and you can never know where is the perfect and proper places when like you're in the middle of the action. I have my fee projection, I have areas and I have ideas, but it's not perfect, and I have a big experience. I even know how bots and algos working, so that's my like advantage. But still, as you can see, it's not even close to be perfect. So this strategy is profitable, but it's really hard. Come on, US 500, and losing much smaller. Today in one moment I was losing $120, so nice. Tintin, we are trying, like, thanks for your comments, like, and we're trying to be 100% honest. Like, this is great strategy, but really problematic. If you don't know what you're doing, you can lose everything in one position, and that can be even in few hours. Like you can lose your whole money in few hours. That's insane. But if you know properly to re-add, or if you even got into wrong position that I am doing too many times, I will show you. Even here you can see my grid, that's still one position, this losing $11. Today I was losing 40 something, and my average was really bad. I can show you where I started longing, all the way up here. You can see, you can not even see price now. Where is price? All the way here. So this was start of my long, and the price is all the way down here, so at 1%. So I think I did good, but honestly it's still bad position. Says something about the other strategy with 200 EMA. Yeah, I have a strategy 221. That's my go-to strategy. It's a big way to explain, and I have it on video, but it's private video. Let me try to explain what I can. Let me switch the screen again. So trading view, and it's okay for 15 minutes. So as you can see, this yellow line is 21, and this purple is 200. The idea is when price is under the 21 and 21 is under the 200, on the 21 and around 21 you should short if it goes down, and if it gains the 21, you see here maybe you will get stopped out, but you had a few good positions for scalp. If it gained 21, it should react first time on 200, and then it's like 21 200 21 200, and which first breaks, that's the area like you don't know direction, so you're scalping there. But when you get a fat and big candle under the 21, and 21 is still under the 200 EMA, then you can short and like look for levels, projection, whatever you're using, doesn't matter. And even other way around, and as you can see, 21 is really good for trend. Other way around, when it's 21 about 200 and 200 is flat or going up, you should long on this freaking biggest candle when you look to the left, and you can like put stop loss under the 21, and you can even re-add. Your profit targets are on this crazy wicks to the downside, and you can re-add then on around 21 on the red candles. So that's the basics. It has more to the strategy, but that's the overall view, like that's trend trading. But as I said, if price is between 21 and 200, then it's like bounces and like you can only scalp. If it's like this and it breaks something with this kind of strong candle, then it's a trend trading. Then you try to long around 21 or the 21. The perfect would be on the red candles. It doesn't have to be like that. Maybe it wick to 21 and then become a green candle. And the most important thing, your stop loss should be under the biggest candle. So and you shouldn't risk too much on that strategy. You should risk top 2% on trade. Not same as Brian scalping idea or min reversals. And the profit targets should be on the hanging man or the shooting star. How do you call this kind of candle? Doesn't matter the name, but your profit targets are on this kind of candles. So this is the general idea. 20-minute Pavel. Yep, 10 minutes. Just having my third coffee today. And Tin, one best advice I can give you, friendly advice. Whatever strategy you're reading or somebody's telling you, you put some chart and you just backtest it on the chart. And if you don't see it, maybe it's real strategy, maybe this guy is doing it, maybe it's good for him. But if you don't see that, then it's not right for you. But you always like, okay, this dude just shitted about this strategy, let me check that in past, did it really work or it's just full of shit. And then you can like look, okay, it worked, didn't work, yes, it worked. So doesn't matter the strategy. If you can see that and it's making sense to you, you can use it. If it doesn't make sense to you, doesn't matter is it a bullshit strategy or is a real strategy, it's not working for you, so you just skip that one. Guys, we have 8 minutes to the news. I will just jump fast to the restroom, just like 2 minutes, and I will be back. So sorry, I will leave the stream. I know it's boring, but sorry guys, I have to go. And I'm back. I take an idea and 50 minutes and it works out. Otherwise, find the next. Works for me. Yeah, the general idea is maybe somebody is making real great money with some strategy, but at the end, if it doesn't work for you, doesn't make sense for you to use it. And just find something that really works for you, that suits for you, that makes sense. Everything else, like, again, maybe he's the best trader out there and stuff like that, but if you don't make money of that, I don't see why you should just bother with that stuff. Dun, 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 dun. Fetcher. Now they're going to maybe say we will give you more money, and then the dollar will dump again, and the S&P will pump again, maybe something like that, probably. Aussie dollar. Hey man.
100.
What?
You're gonna do some scalps on the US 500 on your second account, or volatility might come in 50 points up, 100 points down like yesterday.
Yep, but not on cTrader, not a chance, because it's a one lot and my baby account is not ready for that.
Yeah.
So, what you're doing? You're still trading your cTrader?
Yeah,
I lost.
USD.
Oh, okay.
Proceeds have pumped, and now it's back again. So I hope it's gonna go up high. And the Euro USD, I was thinking that it's in a downtrend now, so it's this low.
Well, Dixie looks like maybe found its local top for now, so like one leg down. Maybe just to test this area, again one more time. So we will see. Possible. And how much till news? Just news started. Yep. Let's see. Can we get some volatility? Something to trade.
A pump first and then a dump, or the other way around?
Doesn't have to be okay. It can be a trend, but I need volatility. It's just stuck. Not even now to the range. It's just in the middle. And it's against every of my rule, like to do position on the flat 21, on the middle of the price projection, or like RSI on the middle, everything like wait for something.
We still need to visit, I think, like Brian also said, the 3200 area. So
Well, he's the god of scalping, but I saw him like miss 6 times where will price go. So
oh no, sure, but you can see on the volume profile that there's a gap here and there, and then there's a little bump at the 3140, but we've already been there twice. So and otherwise then we go to 3050, 3060.
yeah, we can go to 3200. Yep, we have perfect price projection on the 3201. But don't forget, it can be 2 months from now, 5 months from now.
Yeah.
So I agree, but I told you, I remember when he was bearing this, and we pumped like 7%.
Well, I always forget that it will go to 200 and then we go to 50. Yeah.
Yeah, 21,200. Yeah, squeezing, and for me it's maybe scalp here, but for actual trend trade, I cannot. Can now not determine the price, the way of the price up or down. Come on, say something, Pavel. Some news. Somebody type something on Twitter, and then volatility. Aussie dollar is.
Yeah, let Trump tweet something. For tomorrow. Have to keep switching and
I'm looking even 1 minute on my right screen, and nothing happened. Nothing. Just fucking stupid. 40. What are you looking at? Nice.
doesn't like you anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Gone.
I will maybe start to tomorrow a bit earlier, because that way when I get tired myself, Jeeves can continue stuff, and like when he goes off, we can continue again and like finish when it becomes boring like this hours, and this way we will not get into the way other streamers, maybe something like that. So maybe hour earlier start by myself, and like when anybody has time can just join if you have time. Come on, something. Do we have maybe some kind of Dixie in IC markets? I should check that out, because this Dixie is really dollar index.
IL has a JPY long.
We have Dixie on the freaking IC markets, guys. Are you fucking kidding me?
Do
Yep.
everything.
Nice, man. That's awesome. Now everything changed. Nice, 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 nice. Just need to see how expensive it is. Specifications. Digits 3, contract size 100. Oof. Oof. Minimal volume 1 contract. Oof. Let me see if would I buy limit here, and I do stop loss 96. So let me see. 15 minutes scalping. $6 on 5 minutes scalping. That's a lot. So the smallest swing, 0.03%. It's $6 risking. So it's good for fib projection scalps, but not averaging in. Like that's too expensive. So even on the MT5, it's one lot at least.
Yeah.
Okay, back. We'll check the part I missed later. Didn't miss anything, like nothing happened. So we will maybe even Dixie ourselves. Pum 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 pum. Hmm.
For the was stream on his phone, but
Yep. I'm just reading. GBP USD. Gaining maybe. Something. Move. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Move, bitch. I'm looking on cTrader, the indicator cloud. We are in the middle of the range on anything. So in 5 minute chart we are between 21.
those are gonna happen, right?
Yep, like everybody's waiting. Moon or doom? Moon or doom? Guys, get some balls. Just click the button. Doesn't matter. Lose money, get money. Just kidding. No. That's not a good idea.
Is market going?
Ooh, we have new subscribers. Oh, nice. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate that.
I'm just looking at nothing. I came back now from the kitchen. I've still I'm in the same trades as 15 minutes ago.
Yep. You didn't
It's
miss
like
anything.
watching paint dry right now.
Hey, I need like 60 cents to get a round number on my baby account. So I should click random button. Random button, like buy, sell. We're in the range, doesn't matter. Like whatever you clicked, you would get it right. Like you just wait. Just kidding. No, don't do that. That's stupid. But really, look, whatever you clicked, we're just ranging for last 2 hours. Unbelievable. Can we do something, please? I got bored. Really. And we don't have any news. Nope. That's it for today. 30
Okay.
minutes ago, testifies
Yeah, but it can take
Fed.
a half an hour.
Fast master speech in for 4 hours also almost. That can also move bit the market a bit. That's not big news. Too big. Come on. Fucking unbelievable. Now I'm really bored. Unbelievable. I think I will get like make some sounds board, like winning trade, losing trade, or something like that. Like just to have fun. Sometimes it's getting too quiet, and when there's no volatility, no trend, nothing, I get bored. US5 Aussie dollar is on the support. Come on, lose it. Do something. Sometimes on C market I have zero spread. That's awesome. I have zero spread on GBP USD now, this moment. That's 0.2 spread. That's good. Come on, bots and algos, just pick up some news, just move the freaking market. I don't care which way. Something. I'm reading some comments in Telegram about this Fed chair, and like one of the guys says like, isn't he spoke yesterday? Like he's only making bad stuff. Like just leave him alone. Don't let him talk. It's not good for the market.
Okay.
It's flight times. I know, but there's too many flies in my office. I need to fix that. He said, this dude says, the strongest part is when the reporters ask questions and he's reading from his papers. That's
Putting some screens up on your windows.
what? $14. What did you say?
If you get some fly screens on your windows, then
Fly screens? What's that?
you said you have so many flies. then
Yep.
You put usually such screens, such a mesh on your windows that they can't come in.
Oh yeah, but it's too warm sometimes, so I open the door for like 5 minutes to get some fresh air. Like window is not enough.
Flies.
Yeah, and then flies like kicks in and like, haha, let's annoy you, haha,
Oh,
let's.
you can have that for the door too. That's here we call it screen door. So it's like a door in front of the door, just that it has just a frame.
Yeah,
with
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
flies.
I told you like I didn't invest in this office. It's in my backyard, so for Corona it was perfect because I didn't have to leave the house. But now it's time to again get back. The moment I sell the old office, I will buy the new one and just move everything there because I will need more people, and as I said, I need one more room for my team of programmers. We need to have zero noise to be able to work properly. It's not possible to like scream and listen to me smashing stuff in the office.
Yeah, if they hear one of your outbreaks, yeah,
They know me like
they
personally.
can't.
Everybody knows me personally, so they know how crazy I am. So like, even one of them said like, next time smash my mouse. I need a better one. So like, please smash mine and then go buy a new one. So no problem there. Do I long this Dixie here? How much is the spread on MT5 on the, ooh. Spread is 0.02%. That's okay. That's not tradable. Okay, just don't do that. Stupid flies. Something. I'm scared, like, when the volatility comes, it's just going to through the roof. The roof is on fire. Something. And imagine NAS 100 is 10k and Bitcoin is not. So fuck the Bitcoin. I should buy NAS 100 when it dumped. In my country, 40, I'll burp, be right back, means like when you burp, like somebody on the stream, is burping when he's drinking.
When you make a burp.
Yep, so like burp. And I was like, I need to burp and I will be right back. Okay, whatever works for you. Come on, so boring. Like,
Make some dinner and then I'll talk to you.
we will finish soon. This became so boring. I don't think anybody wants to watch nothing. So yeah, like doing nothing lasts hour and a half, and I know it's
Me
boring.
too, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some food and then I come back and I made my food and the volatility is there.
Okay, nice. Thanks for being
Let's
here
do it.
and have a great meal.
Yeah. Well.
Now it's even stuck between 8 and 21 EMA. Even worse. Come on, something. We need to flag this part of day and don't do the stream because this is real boring for everybody, I imagine. So let's see, like, 13:30, around that time, UTC, like volatility stops almost every time. Let me check again.
What was it? An hour ago, 1.5 hours ago, 1500 UTC.
Yep.
And then it was still good until 15:30, and the last hour was absolutely nothing.
Yeah, and I think like it should be the time like we stop because like I think it's too boring for everybody and like everybody should take a break because you're not missing anything. Like maybe do some better stuff, maybe work out or something because this doesn't make sense. Like maybe now something. Come on. fucking unbelievable. And then I got told and nothing happened.
Yeah, slowly it was a bit moving. I was in 3 positions, now 2 took profit, 1 position left. It's going a bit up in foreign.
I agree on that, and I have profit targets higher on the GBP USD, but we are still stuck. Stupid. I would love the pump because I would close my GBP USD in the profit and I would re-add on my US 500 short. That's my general idea, but maybe I will not get what I want. It's possible because this shit's telling down, and yep, not even 1% lost today, and 1% would be too far away. Far away, far away. Yep. Ooh, I have some yellow box there. Ooh, nice. So, can you pump to my profit target and then done, please? My finger is on the button. Nothing is happening. Unbelievable. Nothing, not even on Twitter. I'm watching the news feed on the Twitter, and nothing. Real nothing. Unbelievable. Pump the jam, pump it up. Pump it, pump it.
I was really hungry. I just inhaled my food here. That's almost gone already.
Nice. Bon appetit. I think I will take my beef jerky soon. I got some. I got. I'm a bit hungry, so. How the freaking inbox works on YouTube? I have inbox messages. Interesting. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so we have 2 more days. Even 1 minute doesn't move. Come on, guys, just do something. Anything. I don't care. Make me lose money. Just some action, please. I don't want to go to fishing and do nothing. Imagine you're swing trader now. 40. Imagine that. And few hours, nothing.
Nothing happening.
Yep. And like you got old and you still didn't get into position. Like 20 years later, still waiting to get into that swing. You found out it was untested. Unbelievable. Move! Move! Go GVP, pump that. Woo! Something. I hate this 21. It's... I need to de-risk a bit there. Stupid. Yep, I need to de-risk a bit there. Come on. Come on. I de-risked a bit. Ooh, not 100 is pumping. What's happening? Nice. So we're actually going up. Okay, it's fine. Yep. Go. Move, god damn it. Move. Move. And just got stopped out. God damn it. On the not 100 short. I lost 40 cents, man. What to do now? I don't know what to do. I'm screwed. 40 cents. Come on, GVP, just break it, please. Something.
Well, you were quite upset the other day about 3 cents, on your challenge.
Because I was chasing 100 winning trades in a row and I got stopped out because of stupid clicking button. Not because I was wrong, but I was closing winning trade in the loss. That doesn't make sense.
As you mentioned soundboard earlier, we have to put some of your clips on the soundboard.
Well,
Your outbreak.
my outbreaks. I'm all in, no problem for me. You know that I'm not. I don't have problems with my stupidity. That is how it is. Just like be real. Do the right thing. Come on. Fucking GVP. Stupid motherfucker. Come on. Pum. Move! I think I will have problem the moment Corona and everything will be gone, because I just figured out that working on bigger volatility, and if it becomes much smaller I would get bored and I would need again to adjust strategy and scale much more faster because this is boring. Can you free 21 and 21 and 21 and please do something. No, not reject now, god damn it. God damn it. $40. Let's finish the stream. It's too boring, like nothing's happening even with news, so I think like maybe nothing to till like 2 more hours, 3 more hours. That's
Yeah, usually towards closing of market it picks then up again, but
yeah.
in between time is slow. Yesterday it picked up after 3 hours, I think.
Yep. So for everybody, thanks for being here, and I think I will start tomorrow like a bit earlier, so you don't need for it to change your schedule. Like you come in normal hours because I will talk uh, like hour myself. Then like Jibus and others will come. Then you can come and stuff like that. So always somebody will be with me. So everything else will stay the same for you, but I don't want to do these hours when volatility just stops. We had much more volatility like 11 a.m. UTC, so doesn't matter. Thanks everybody for being here, and hope you see you soon. 40, thanks for being here with me, and talk to you soon too, okay? Bye bye.